Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is gratifying. Gratifying is an adjective that describes something that gives you a strong sense of pleasure or satisfaction, especially after effort, patience, hope, or personal investment. For example, seeing her students confidently use the skills she had taught them was gratifying because months of patient instruction had clearly made a lasting difference in their work. The volunteers found it gratifying to watch the neglected community garden become a welcoming place where neighborhood families could relax and enjoy time together. After weeks of revisions, receiving a thoughtful message from a reader who understood the story exactly as intended was especially gratifying for the writer. Synonyms for gratifying include satisfying, rewarding, pleasing, and fulfilling. Gratifying is often used for achievements, progress, appreciation, and positive results, and it emphasizes deep satisfaction from something worthwhile, not a brief thrill. That's gratifying. One word, stronger English.